Hi everyone. So today we speak about how to estimate gas on Linea. So Linea is an Ethereum layer 2, ZK EVM layer 2, meaning you can deploy directly your smart contracts on Linea as if it was on Ethereum mainnet. But the gas accounting model is slightly different. So today we'll speak about Linea estimate gas, which is a specific function that you can call using your favorite RPC provider. Because while we still support ETH estimate gas, this new function provides a better accuracy and a better gas estimation for your users. So first, let's try to understand gas fee together. So there are three components of a gas fee. So the base fee, which is determined for each block, and the recommended function to get this base fee is to use ETH fee history and use the field base fee per gas. You also have a priority fee, which is basically a tip to incentivize the validator to include your transaction faster. And there is two ways to get it. Either you can use the ETH max priority fee per gas, or you can use ETH fee history, and there is a field reward when you can then select a threshold to get this priority fee. And you also have the gas limit, units that you can get basically using ETH estimate gas. And so the gas limit is the maximum amount of computational work that your transaction can consume. But basically this limit, you can increase it if you want, because you will only pay for gas used and not for the gas limit that you input in your transaction. And so ETH estimate gas is a specific function just to get this gas limit. And so then how you calculate, because then you need to do a calculation with those three values. And so the total formula is the base fee plus the priority fee multiplied by the unit of gas used, right? And so this means you need to do like 3 calls minimum to be able to calculate your gas fee. So why Linea estimate gas? So basically there is a few issues that you can have if you use the wrong gas estimation on Linea. So the main one is inclusion issues, because the sequencer will only include transactions that are considered profitable. And profitability depends on the layer 1 cost paid for the transaction, which is mostly impacted by the call data size. So if you have a transaction with a large amount of call data, this transaction may remain stuck in the mempool, even if it pays more fees than the average transaction. So that's why you really want to use Linea estimate gas, because it will give you a very accurate fees to get your transaction included. And on the cost issue, when there is no network congestion, if you use the standard gas pricing method, you will overpay. So using Linea estimate gas will give you a better pricing and a lower pricing when there is no network congestion. And so two important notes as well: the gas use computation doesn't change on Linea. So you should not get those out of gas transaction fail. And also the base fee doesn't spike on Linea. It remains constant at 7 way. And so the difference when you use Linea estimate gas compared to ETH estimate gas, or like it's something average 30% gas paid less per transaction. So at the time this video was recorded. So you're already winning on cost. And on the implementation side, it's way easier as well. Meaning this is the input, so the exact same input as ETH estimate gas. And while on ETH estimate gas, you will just get the gas limit, on Linea estimate gas, you get everything in the same output. So you have the base fee per gas, the gas limit, and the priority fee per gas. And so the cool thing is you can get everything in just one RPC call. So I put a few examples of providers who support Linea estimate gas here. And you have in the priority fee per gas that you get, you have the layer 1 posting cost. So that's why you get actually this difference in terms of gas fee, and you get more accurate gas fee. And so now for the implementation, you can just directly refer to the doc that I put here. And if you have any question, you can just directly reach out to us on Discord, and our team will be very happy to help you. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.